Hello fellas, I hope you guys are having a good day. It's a little bit windy outside, but it's starting to get beautiful. The grass is greening up. I'm trying to let it get a little bit longer so I can plow into it with my mower and run outside with Shiba lawn mowing competition. But so what I'm up to today, mainly I'm working graveyard shifts and I should be sleeping, but I'm going to get up here for a little bit because my buddy Clark called me and he wanted to know if I had some black dirt that I would sell him. And he lives 5 miles away there in town. This is Clark that I got the load of gravel for the other day. And the amount of black dirt that he wants isn't enough to be worth a dump trailer. Plus he'd have to dump it on the ground because he's going to wheelbarrow it through his gate to get into his backyard. So what we figured on is he don't have a pickup, but I got an old Chevy hunting truck that works good. Because he wants that smaller amount of dirt, I figure I'll just load it in the back of that pickup. And he said he'd give me 25 bucks for a pickup load of dirt, and he'd give me $10 for the fuel he uses in the old pickup. And we'll see if we can load some black dirt into my old pickup and give it to Clark to go take to his house and do some landscaping. And I know it's not a lot of money, but it's a little bit of money and it helps me out and I get a kick out of it and it helps Clark out. So I'm going to see if I can get my old tractor running and my old pickup and load some dirt in there. And thanks for watching, fellas. I appreciate it. About 3 things on this pickup that I want to explain to my friend Clark that are tricky that he'll need to know to help run it. The first thing is this tailgate. It don't belong on this pickup. It's a real nice tailgate. But to get it to open, you just open it. But then these little in here, you know, you got to go in there and push a little and then squeeze them a little better with your fingers. Okay. Or you can use a pair of channel locks and like that, you know. I'll get this tire out of here. I don't know exactly how much dirt you want.
Yeah, I'll take what you got for now, and whatever I don't need, I'll leave in the truck.
Okay. Well, no, don't do that.
No?
No. Well, then I gotta clean it out, you know what I mean? So, I don't know, kind of figure what you want. If you need to, you can always come back for more if I got it.
Yeah, I might have to do that.
Take some extra, something.
Yeah, what happens is that about 5 feet away from my house, everything slopes perfect. And then about 5 feet to my house, there's a little bit of a slope back. So I kind of want to fill that area in, get that slope right. So I'm probably going to need all this for sure.
That's fine. So you push in,
yep.
Lift up,
squeeze together.
there's that notch on the keys.
Okay.
And then the other thing is, like typical old Chevys, the door handle's broke on the inside on the driver's door.
Okay, just reach around.
Yep, so I always roll the window down and reach out there and open it from the outside and you can get in and out.
Okay.
If for some reason that don't work, you can always unlock the doors or manually unlock the doors and crawl out the passenger side. It works normal. And the other little bug is every once in a while you got to wiggle one of the battery cables right on the battery.
Okay.
But otherwise, it's run like a beast for 4 or 5 years.
All right.
Pulled the camper all the way back 200 miles to South Dakota with it, even though I shouldn't have. It run hot the whole way, but it run. Been good mechanically.
Nice. Probably just do about 2 more scoops should about do it, I would think. I'll start with that.
That just might maybe help work good for you because number one, I didn't know how much you need, but number two, kind of the way you've been doing it, you can't drive it through your gate to get it back in there. So this way, maybe if you had a wheelbarrow, which
oh yeah, I do. Yep.
you put it right behind or under the gate.
Yep. Just bring it right through.
Down with the hose,
You bet.
you're not having to get it on your ground too much.
You bet.
Just wheelbarrow back to where you are.
Work smarter, not harder. Okay. All right. Think that's enough? You think we can do one more or no?
Yeah, we can put it on there.
Okay.
It's a good
Okay. All right. No, that should do it. No. You said that should be good. Yep.
You think that's enough or you think there's more?
I think that might be enough. If I need more, I'll come back. But I think that should keep me busy this weekend. For sure.
One more to try to make sure you might have enough?
Yeah, go ahead and do one more. We'll take it. Get it from this side this time. Perfect. Yeah, that'll keep me busy shoveling.
Thanks, man, and I'll see you later. Drive the gravel because you're kind of squatty.
Okay. Oh.
You just wiggle it. It might turn a little hard, you know, like you do. Notch towards the upside.
Yep, notches up. Oh, it doesn't like me.
They will. Just put her in there and wiggle it and give it a little bit of force, not King Kong. There you go. It's like an old cranky lady. See?
How'd you do that?
You just wiggle it. I've driven this thing for years.
Okay, I just flipped it back and I can't do it. Oh, there it is.
All right.
Alrighty.
Give her hell and Godspeed.
Alright, man. Thanks, bud.
See ya. Well, that's all I got today, fellas. If you like the video and tinkering around in little tractors and firewood and lawn mowing, give an old boy a like and subscribe. And I hope you guys are having a good day, and thanks for watching.